नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली आईएएस में। दोस्तों, ये मैंने ओपन कर रखा है यूपीएससी का नोटिफिकेशन और आज इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं यूपीएससी जीएस 2 का एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक। तो देख लेते हैं कौन सा टॉपिक करने वाले हैं। इसके लिए मैंने सिलेबस ओपन कर रखा है। दोस्तों, ये सिलेबस और जो टॉपिक करेंगे हम, जिसका क्विक रिवीजन या प्री स्टडी करेंगे, ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होता है। इसका बहुत ही अच्छा इफेक्ट पड़ता है आपकी स्टडी पर, बिकॉज थिंग्स विल सेट इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड व्हेन यू विल वॉच दीज सिलेबस एंड दैट प्री स्टडी ऑफ दैट टॉपिक। तो क्या होगा, चीज़ें आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में अच्छे से बैठ जाएंगी, जिससे आपको टॉपिक लंबे समय तक याद रहेगा। ठीक है, तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, ये GS2 गवर्नेंस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, और इसका आज मैं करने वाला हूँ टॉपिक ये डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस एंड डेवलपमेंट इंडस्ट्री, रोल ऑफ NGO, SHG, वेरियस ग्रुप्स, एसोसिएशन, डोनर्स, चैरिटी, इंस्टीट्यूशनल एंड अदर स्टेक होल्डर्स। दोस्तों, जनरली ये टॉपिक आपको अपनी नॉर्मल बुक्स में नहीं मिलता। ठीक है, इसके लिए आपको स्पेशल किसी के नोट्स, किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन विजन आईएएस या किसी के नोट्स वगैरह रेफ़र करना पड़ेगा, या टॉपर्स के नोट्स, या अलग से प्रिपरेशन करनी पड़ेगी। इसलिए मैंने ये टॉपिक लिया है। और दिस टॉपिक इज़ वेरी वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट्स वेरी मार्क्स फैचिंग। काफ़ी मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन आते हैं। आप हर साल अगर क्वेश्चन देखोगे तो काफ़ी क्वेश्चन मिल जाएंगे। तो बिना किसी देरी के चलिए हम करते हैं इसकी प्री स्टडी इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि ये स्टडी से पहले की स्टडी होती है, या फिर इसको रिवीजन भी कह सकते हैं। अगर आपने स्टडी कर रखी है तो आप इसका एक तरीके से रिवीजन भी कर सकते हैं। दोनों ही वे में ये आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगा, बिकॉज थिंग्स विल सेट इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड एंड इट विल बेनिफिशियल फॉर योर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विदाउट एनी डिले। ओके, सो टॉपिक इज डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस एंड डेवलपमेंट इंडस्ट्री। तो फर्स्ट वी शुड नो what is development process and what is development industry. As you can see, development process and development industry. Friends, development industry consists of all those institutions and stakeholders which cause development in any country's journey. So those groups, associations, okay, those stakeholders may be institutional or other stakeholder which cause development in any country. They are development industry. So for example, groups and association like civil societies, okay, and civil society uh, I will not go in its definition, because definition you can do. I will do just its bird eye view, or you can say pre-study of overall topic. Okay, so groups and association like civil societies, and these are basically main keywords of this chapters. So here we will see how these different keywords are related to each other, so that we have clear understanding of the topic. I am not going in the definition and nitty-gritty of this topic. You can do definition from your side. Okay, so now let us come again to the point, that is these are various groups and association stakeholders may be institutional stakeholder or other stakeholder. Institutional stakeholders like government, okay, and academic and research institutions, because government is also a stakeholder in the development progress of a country. Okay, and other stakeholders means trade union, worker organization, private sectors, international partners, and local communities. So these all are responsible for the journey of any country, development journey of any country. Other than these, civil society, NGO, self-help group, okay, and media, okay, and other than these, some financial institution like donor, charities, and microfinance institution. These also consist of development industry. Okay, so and microfinance institution is also relevant for self-help group, because self-help groups main purpose is for economic empowerment, and microfinance institution also do the same thing. So these are these development industry. Now next question will come, what these development industry do, what is their main work? So their work area consists of mainly 6 things. Okay, like as you can see, this self-help group work area is mainly this economic, like economic empowerment, okay, poverty reduction and service delivery. Similarly, self-help group other area is social empowerment for vulnerable section, SC, ST and women, and human development. Okay, so this is mainly self-help groups work area. Now you can see NGO also provide support for the development of self-help group. And other than this, NGOs work area include, along with these two work area like economic and social, two more work areas are there, like political work area, and political work area like right based movements, RTI, Lokpal. These all are due to NGO, due to struggle of NGO. Another work area is environment protection, like you can see greenhouse gas, है ना, different environment based NGOs are also there. Okay, so these are their main work area of this development industry. Now next question is this, okay, these are their work area, how do they work, what is their process, what is development process, how they do work? So they do work by formulation of you can say formulation of policy, and they help in execution of policy. For example, this COVID-19, when vaccination starts, there was a huge role played by these NGOs. So formulation and execution of policies, they provide expertise, and they provide education, okay, education awareness to the relevant field, education awareness, and last but not least, that is empowerment. They provide rural empowerment, women's empowerment, vulnerable section empowerment, different things empowerment. So these are their development process. By these way they do development, these development industry do development. Now one more thing is there, what techniques they do use. These two things sounds like similar, okay, that's why it is connected by this both sided arrow. So techniques used, they mainly use like pressure, and they do research, they do service, they provide service. Pressure like advocacy and lobbying, they provide advocacy and lobbying. Other than this, they provide professional association, they form professional association like civil service associations. They also do pressure on the government for their demands, okay, this professional association. And other than this, research related development agency do monitoring of anything like COVID-19 monitoring, any pandemic monitoring, or poverty, human development monitoring, and advisory, they provide advisory also. These are our service based on the research and development. Other than this, generally we think about this, what technique they use, they provide service. Which service? Like social welfare organization, microfinance and credit service, okay. And other than this, capacity building. So by these techniques they do their work. So this was the topic of development industry and development process. I did a very quick revision, or you can say pre-study of this topic. So by this way, I think you should watch this video once more at increased speed, so that uh, all main keywords of this topic will remain in your mind, and while doing study these will be very helpful. Okay, so this was this topic, I hope you like it. Friends, my target is to CSE 2024 attempt. Okay, so for you also all the best. Try your hard, try your best, and do smart work with most relevant updated techniques. Okay, thank you. If you like it, then please subscribe this channel. Thank you.